Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your third week of June reading start from the 15th through the 21st of June 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. I could see the Nine of Cups card. So for some of you, you are going to get your wish fulfilled this week time. It can be in your love life, work life, home life situation. There has been a wish that you might have been working towards. You have a strong chance of getting it. Now, this message can be for a specific Sagittarian out there as well, but it can be for everyone out there as well. So just be mindful of that. So yeah, let's see what else can you expect coming up for you in this week time. Lovers. Page of Wands. If you have been waiting on for a message to come in from your specific someone, you might just get that. Especially around the first half of the week, there is a strong possibility of you getting a message from a specific someone that you were waiting and hoping around. This person could be somebody that you once were in a relationship and now maybe you have been separated from this person, and then this person reaching out to you is going to be like a miracle for you. It's going to be something maybe you have been working towards silently, like trying to manifest that, but then you are definitely getting it. Let's see more cards. Queen of Cups, the Hierophant. This person is going to come back with a regret of losing you. They might be somebody that have moved on in their life. They might be somebody who has moved on in their life with someone else. Maybe they got married with someone else, and then they're going to come back to you after realizing your worth. Maybe they are reaching out to you after they, for some of you, they might have gotten married. For others of you, they might have just moved on with another person. It's just that they are regretting their decision and now coming back to you after an ending with the one that they moved on with. That could be the case for, many of you out there. Now, for some of you, it can be applicable in your work life situation as well. Maybe if you have applied for a job or something to do with that, they might have selected somebody else over you earlier, and then they're gonna reach out to you again telling you that, okay, fine, you are hired. So there is some sort of wish definitely getting fulfilled for you, be that in love, work, or home life situation. Let's take more cards. I feel like, for majority of you, it's going to be life wish that is definitely getting granted. I feel like, maybe there is a person who you really loved, who you really cared for, but then that person was maybe either busy with their work scenarios, maybe they got influenced by the other people around them and they chose something else or someone else over you. They might have chosen their career path over you. If that has been the case, now they are making a U-turn towards you because this person doesn't like it without you, for sure. Or maybe for some of you, they might have achieved the goal that they wanted to achieve and now they are making a U-turn towards you because now they want to pursue their love life with you, and staying busy with their work doesn't excite them anymore or any longer. So I feel like, there is a return of a past person for sure. um and they always had this thing in their mind. If and when they are ready, they will be reaching out to you, whether you knew that or you did not. They always had this thing in their mind about you, and they were maybe they never shared that idea, maybe they never shared that with you. They always had this thing in their mind, in their head about you, that once I'm ready, once I'm prepared, I will be reaching out to this person. Now, for some of you, maybe your parents didn't agree about this connection. Why? Because they were not financially strong. They always had this motivation in their mind about you, that once you have achieved, they have achieved a financial goal, then only they will be reaching forward towards you once they are feeling confident in themselves. So maybe for some of you, they might have pulled away because they had some other financial goals to take care of. Once they are ready, prepared, now they're coming forward with the proposal, with the message, and this is going to be very unexpected for majority of you, because you felt like maybe it's over. They never told you that why they are leaving you alone, why they ended the connection with you, because there was some financial issues involved there. I feel like, and for majority of you, this person is going to reach out to you when there's no more financial pressure on them. And wow, underneath the deck we do have the Page of Cups. They will be expressing their love. They will be sharing every detail with you, and how it all happened, what went through, or what they went through before they could come forward with this marriage proposal, with this communication, with this commitment to offer to you. So there is going to be something that this person will have to will be revealing to you about what happened, what went into all this before they could come forward to you. But yes, a past person is definitely making a U-turn. For some of you, the energies could be completely reversed. Maybe you are the past person and you are reaching out to a person. Maybe you are the one who walked away because of your finances, and now you are going to be reaching out to this person once your goal has been achieved or reached. So it will be different for different people. For some of you, maybe there was like financial goals. For others of you, maybe there were personal goals, like maybe you wanted to get in a perfect shape before you could reach out to this person. You were hiding yourself before you felt you were mentally, physically, emotionally prepared to go ahead with that message to your specific someone. It will be different for different people, but yes, a U-turn to the past person is definitely evident here in the energies. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the read. Joy. There's going to be a lot of fun times that you're going to experience as you go back to your past person, as the U-turn has been made to the past person, for sure. Be bold and make the first move. For some of you, maybe it's you who's going to reach out to the past person, and it's going to be a very bold move from your part to reach out to a specific someone from the past. But I do see that you will be happy, they will be happy too. So I don't see any block. As the communication happens, there would not be any single block left in the connection. The only issue I see could be for some of you, where your person might have moved on to marry another person. But then if and when they are reaching out to you this week time, they will be reaching out to you after they have set themselves free from that connection. Not like they're not going to cheat their partner, for sure. So a U-turn is being made after an ending with the current that they had. A personal issue reaches resolution. For some of you, either you or your person was dealing with a personal issue. As they resolve that issue, they come forward. It can be you, it can be them. Emotions are running high. It's going to be a very beautiful time between you and your specific someone. Yes, there has been a past, there has been some issues that you had in the connection, or maybe you had in your life or they had in their life, but now as they resolve those issues, they are coming forward with something beautiful to offer within this connection. So a U-turn is definitely being made from a past person. Dream big. Never be afraid to be yourself. So somebody is more confident now. Somebody is more confident in their choices and their decisions now. It can be you, it can be them. Release the pain. Whatever went into this whole situation to evolve, just forget that and know that something beautiful is happening now. So just focus on just that. Forget the past, forget whatever went into this. Happy thoughts. Just think happy thoughts and just expect something good to come out of the situation. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.